Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Little fire ant and the coconut rhinoceros beetle. Very likely those came in maritime containers.
Department of Agriculture entomologist Russell Campbell says that insects and other invasive species can survive inside of containers for the weeks it takes to get here. Once the container doors are opened, these insects can easily infiltrate the island's ecosystem.
Guam has long lacked an actual inspection facility for maritime cargoes, which is found in almost all of the major ports in the world.
This is why the Department of Agriculture is proposing a new freight fee to fund the personnel they need to staff their biosecurity division. Senator Chris Duenas says that in Hawaii, shipments with dirt or insects on them are immediately turned away.
There was a large loader that was shipped in, and it had probably the equivalent of a tablespoonful of dirt on one of its forks, and they put it back on the ship. No questions asked. It doesn't come in. Another one was a large vehicle that was also break bulk on an open rack. Came in, and it had insects in the radiator. They put it right back on the ship. No questions asked. That's thousands of dollars, you know, in terms of shipping costs for it. It doesn't matter. I mean, that's how strict they are.
Let me ask if Customs has that same protocol here. Chief, any experiences in returning containers back?
No, Senator, we don't have experience in sending them back, but we do have the protocols in place that when a vehicle or any type of equipment comes into port and we identify it, they go to a wash down and they get cleaned.
Although the Department of Agriculture is pushing for more funding to help prevent invasive species from getting into the island and to help eradicate the invasive species that make it into the island, Coconut Rhino Beetle Eradication Team Leader Roland Kittigwa says that the real key is to spread awareness and educate the community about invasive species.
Invasive species is not the sole responsibility of the Department of Ag. I believe the Department of Ag should lead the efforts, but it is definitely a community effort. And it's the only way we're going to be successful in any of these invasive species issues.